combustion chamber with pure oxygen. The oxygen-enriched air prevents the formation of products of incomplete combustion, which can form in less sophisticated systems. As an added safety measure, the TIS-5 is equipped with an independent auxiliary burner located within the secondary combustion chamber to ensure that complete thermal treatment continues in the unlikely event of a power failure. Treated gases exiting the secondary combustion chamber enter the exhaust gas conditioning section of the unit. The spray tower, as it is known, uses a water spray to cool the exhaust gases to below 450 degrees Fahrenheit prior to entry into the baghouse. The baghouse is a network of over 300 fabric filters, which serve to remove particulate materials that remain in the gas stream. Flue gases exiting the baghouse may contain small amounts of inorganics in the form of acids. These acids are neutralized by the system's scrubber by passing through a spray of sodium hydroxide. As with all the cooling and cleansing water used by the system, the water and sodium hydroxide solution used in the scrubber is treated and recycled on site or is discharged following verification that treatment standards have been satisfied. Treated off gases, however, do contain a significant amount of water as a result of the process. At discharge temperatures, this moisture takes on the form of steam. It is this steam which is observed venting from the stack. The air pollution control systems employed by Weston, consisting of the high-efficiency baghouse and scrubber, have been proven to not only meet, but to exceed health-based risk emission limitations for all contaminants, including limitations for metals imposed by boiler and industrial furnace regulations. To verify that these and other incineration performance standards are being met, a continuous emissions monitoring, or CEM system, is used. Stacked gases are continuously monitored for pertinent parameters, such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and total hydrocarbons. The CEM measurements are integrated with a data management system to measure, display, and record the stacked gas concentrations. Data collected is automatically transmitted to the incinerator's central computer control system, where it is continuously monitored to ensure that all measurements are within the envelope of proven safe operation. In addition to monitoring performance parameters, redundant safety systems are also controlled by the central computer. 61 different process measurements are monitored and are interfaced with a waste feed cutoff system, which will automatically stop introduction of contaminated waste if conditions approach limitations established by the operating permit. Weston recognizes that concerned citizens are entitled to timely and accurate information about the operation of the incinerator. To provide this information, Weston routinely installs a computer terminal at an off-site location within the local community, so that members of the community can freely monitor the operating performance of the incinerator system. To further ensure the safety of workers and the community, routine ambient air monitoring is conducted around the entire perimeter of the site to ensure that no emissions are exiting the incineration system or the enclosures housing the untreated soils. In summary, Weston's TIS-5 transportable incineration system has repeatedly proven the capability to provide optimum performance while maintaining maximum control of potential emissions. Some of the key features we've discussed include a negative draft system that prevents fugitive emissions from exiting the system, oxygen-enhanced combustion that promotes the complete destruction of organic chemicals and prevents the formation of products of incomplete combustion, baghouse and scrubber systems to capture and control particulates, metals, and acid gases that may be generated during the process, a fully automatic control system that will stop introduction of contaminated waste if conditions approach limitations established by the operating permit, and a monitoring system that provides the ability for citizens to remotely observe the daily operation of the incineration process from an off-site location. Transportable incineration remains a viable, economic, and safe solution for remediating hazardous waste sites. This proven technology is repeatedly selected as the preferred alternative for remediation of sites and remains an effective solution because of its capacity to remove and destroy contaminants, its absence of any long-term impact on the surrounding communities, and its ability to retain and treat wastes on site, thereby eliminating the hazards and risks associated with transporting the materials off-site. The proven track record of the TIS-5 and Weston has demonstrated a consistent ability to meet and exceed the strictest emission limits established for the safe, efficient operation of thermal treatment systems.